Hello everybody, and in this video we will learn to use how to use the paste special option in Excel. It's a very important aspect and can help you a lot. Now what it does is that it allows you to copy your data and paste it in multiple manners. Now how can you paste in multiple manners? Well, why don't I show you then? So let's for example, let's take this row. All right, it has names and it has text in it. So we have gone ahead, selected it, copied it. Now I want to paste it over here. I do a right click and I get this option of paste special. All right. Over here I see it says paste, which is it will just paste the way it is. Over here I get the option to paste just the formulas. Had this content been containing any formula, then only the formulas would have been pasted, which I'll show you as a This will paste the formulas and the number formatting. This will keep the source formatting as it is. This will have no borders. Had there been any borders over here, then it would have pasted everything except the borders. Over here, it will keep the column width. So in case you're pasting in some other location wherein the column width might not be the same, then the column width would be the same, and this is transpose. So if you see, whatever is mentioned in this row has been converted into a column. See over here? See? And this is what I meant with column width also. The column width has changed, so you could have changed the column width from there, from this paste special column width. See? And with this option, paste values, you can only paste the values. So for example, if you have a formula over here which says sum, all right? So I copy this like this. Each of these cells has formulas. So I copy this and I intend to paste it over here. Say, I go to paste special. Over here, it will only copy the values. In this one, it will copy the value and the formatting. Over here, it will copy the values and the formatting also. If you see, the formula is gone. I am pressing Ctrl Z to undo it. And I'm doing a paste special. And from here, I can paste the formulas, only the formulas. So it has the formula sum A12 to B12. All right. So this is one option. We go to paste special, formulas and number formatting. We are keeping the source formatting. See, now you don't see the borders. Without this, you can have the borders also. But with this, no borders. This is just the values. Over here, you just get the formatting. You get to have only the links. Now, in case you have a website address mentioned over here or an email address, then the link would be copied. And here you can paste it as a picture. See, now this is pasted as a picture. See, I'm able to drag it. If I click over here, I can drag it. And with paste special, I can also I'll use it as a linked picture. So this is how you use paste special. It's an amazing thing to use and very helpful. And there's another option in paste special, which is reminiscent of the older versions wherein you can copy, do whatever you were able to do in the last screen, but with these radio button options. So you can choose to skip blank also. You can use the transpose function also. In the advanced section, I'll tell you how to use the operation part. All right. So this is how you use paste special in Excel. See you in the next video.